Hello there, and thank you so much for joining me. Today I wanted to share with you a part 2 video on some more farmhouse style decor. My first project is this cute little homemade 3D calendar. I used dice. There are some wooden boxes at the Dollar Tree. There are 2 different styles, and I grabbed this one style for this project. And I also used the mini Jenga blocks. So I've seen people using balloons with the dice, and I didn't have time to go to the store to grab any, so I just used my gray chalk paint. Worked perfectly. I think I only needed 1 coat. And then the Jenga blocks, I was using these for another project, so they were already painted and glued together in 2s. No, into 4s it looks like. I'm watching from the video, so I'm trying to figure out how many there were together. Yes, so 4 of them together, and then I also painted them in some chalk paint. And then for the wooden box, I just used my black acrylic paint and painted that black. This is such a fun and easy, quick project. You could probably use stickers from the Dollar Tree. If you have really good handwriting, you could do paint pens, and that's what I did. I like this blue, so I went ahead and I needed 3 dice for the calendar. So obviously I'm going to have 1 hidden. And I just wrote numbers all over them, of course, obviously. And that's how I finished up my dice. And then on the Jenga blocks, you could also, if you had really nice handwriting, write as well. I could not, so I just used my Cricut and cut out vinyl pieces for that. You could also use stickers from the Dollar Tree as well. Look how cute! It's so cute! For my second DIY, there are these little centerpiece decor, I believe, for weddings. I was really excited to see these, and imagination is endless with this. There are stickers that I found that I'm going to be using for a bathroom project. They're rub-ons, and they would be perfect on these. I didn't realize it until after I did this video, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to go grab some more. But for this, I just used my Cricut and I cut out words that say welcome, home, thankful, and blessed. And I used my transfer paper and I just placed them on these cute little decor pieces. Of course, you can grab other stickers from the Dollar Tree to decorate as well. This took minutes to do. Of course, I love this color. I love this like sea green turquoise. I don't even know what color this is. The vinyl that I found. And voila. There you go. Nice and easy. Of course, my little puppy is snoring right next to me as I am editing, so a nice little snuggle buddy, but she is loud. And that is it. That nice and easy. This is gonna go behind me in my little video space, or it might go on my mantle above my fireplace. This project, I am so excited that I finally made one of these milk canisters. Of course, they're old school tin looking, and I just grabbed a 3-quart jug container and this 2-pack of bowls. One is a little bigger, one's a little smaller, and shower curtain holders. I used chalk paint to paint all 3, the bowls and the canister. I also painted the inside of the bowls as well. And I noticed afterwards when I started gluing on the bowl that you didn't need to go all the way up to the top of the lid of this. You just needed to go up to the first rim. I only really used one coat of chalk paint, but I went over it if I needed to. And I then took black acrylic paint and kind of dry brush stroke across the bowls and the container. I went a little too crazy with the container, so I had to go over it again with chalk paint and do a better job of it. But I try not to have a lot of black paint on the end of that tip brush, and it just looks really, really cool. It's a really cool effect to it. So I did both bowls, of course, and then I did the shower curtains the same way. Kind of looks a little rusty. Probably could have used like a copper, like a brown color also to make it look a little rusty, but I just used black. It came out really, really cool. And that's what you see me doing, are the shower curtain rollers right now. And then you're gonna see me go over the canister again with some paint, because I did make it a little too much of that black. You don't have to paint the bottom of this. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell this in the store or keep it. If I am going to sell it, I probably should paint the bottom of it. But I might just keep it. It's so cool. I am so proud of this piece of decor. I might end up keeping it. So you just see me just fixing up my mistakes. Sometimes I'm a little too much of a perfectionist and I have to just stop. So once I was happy with the way the canister looked, I then found this on my Cricut Design Space. And I cut it out with my vinyl, and once this was completely dried, I then placed it on the canister. So cool. And then I took my cream chalk paint and dry brushed over the black a little bit too, so it made it look a little more natural. So once I was happy with this, I then used my Gorilla Glue to glue the top of the canister to the bowl. I wasn't sure where to glue. So I started where you see me gluing, and then I did the top rim of the canister as well, and then placed the bowl there and hoped that it was going to stay glued. I knew that obviously the top would definitely stick, but I just wanted that extra at the bottom of that canister, or I guess the bottom of the bowl and the top of the canister. And then with the shower curtain, I just snapped them, I guess, in the spot where I knew that they would look great. I don't know how to explain it, but when you're messing around with these, they're not that hard to break. So, and I think you have like 10 of them to practice with. So if you don't like the size of one, just break another one and they should come out. I've only had to use 2 and it worked. So I glued those with the Gorilla Glue at the top of the bowl. And then now you see me using Gorilla Glue again. And then I placed that smaller bowl on top. So simple, nice and easy, so cute. Oh, I guess I should have put some glue on the bottom of the bowl instead of the top of that canister, or the bowl, the other one, because it didn't stick very well. And you don't see me, but I do use twine, and I tie it right around where the bowls meet. And where those two met, I wrapped the twine around and made a bow. And there it is. So cool. Oh, Love it. Well, there you have it. Beautiful, easy farmhouse style decor. I love how this came out. My mom has one at home that she bought, not sure from where. Look how cool this is. You can just, you know, make your own. Today is now the 7th of February, Super Bowl Sunday. And how cute are these? Definitely can use these for weddings. I'm going to put them either behind me or in the living room with some other decorations that I have. I love this color. I don't know why I'm so drawn to this color, but I love it. And then of course this piece, I am ecstatic how this came out. It looks so real and cheaply done. So $1, $2, $3, and then some vinyl and paint. So $5 you got a very cool tin looking milk canister. Well, there you have it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and share. I am so grateful for all the support that you all give me, so keep it coming. Comment down below, say hi, and that's it. I will see you next time. Stay safe, take care, and be blessed. Bye.